What is going on, YouTube? This is DBJ channel that you are looking at right now. I'm here to talk to you guys about feature points. I don't know if anybody learned. I don't know if anybody has heard about it or anybody. Look, if you look by on the internet, seen feature points, you don't know what it is or whatever. I'm here to tell you what it's about. Okay, the title of this video is how you can make money right now. Yes, I said it right now. Like, let me show you what I'm talking about. We talking about free money, like free money, like one, two, three, four. We talking about free money right here, and I have the secrets to show you guys how you can win free money, or not even win free money, earn free money by just a couple of simple steps. Okay, first off, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, do all that wonderful stuff. Yeah, so let's get into it. So first off, feature points. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Um, this is what feature points look like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, that's what it looks like right there. So all you have to do with feature points, how you can start earning money is simple. All you gotta do is you see these apps right here. All you gotta do with these apps is all you gotta do is click on it. Once you click on the app, you download it. You download it on your phone, your device, tablet, whatnot. And then after you download it, you play with the app for like 2 minutes. You play with it for 2 minutes, and then you see these points that's on the side of the app. You'll start earning those once you play with that app for 2 minutes, and then it'll come up on your right, your left top screen, and then you start earning points. Simple as that. It doesn't get easier than that. Or you can do surveys, which I like doing personally because it adds up a lot of points. You get more points for doing surveys. So as you can see at the top here, these are the different surveys that you can do. Once you click on it, then it'll take you to the survey so you can start doing the survey and then start earning points. Simple. Also, let's go to the rewards. This is the best part. I'm gonna show you where you start earning the money. So with future points, you got a couple of things that you can do up here so you can start, like, you still earn your money. PayPal Cash, which turns into USD dollars, real dollars. And also, not even just earning the money, you can earn other things as well. Real money on cards such as Amazon, PlayStation Go. Well, not PlayStation Go. Google Play, Bitcoin for those Bitcoiners out there. What else? We got FIFA points, Pokemon points, Starbucks, Xbox, and etc. Anything you technically want. Once you add your points, once you're done downloading the apps and earning your points, you get to go to the rewards and start getting some good stuff. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna show you I um, how I earned a whole lot of this money right here. Like, this is hard. I mean, it's hard work, dedicated. The hard work you put in, the more money you get. As simple as that. I mean, if you're just somebody that's just chilling at home, or you can be at school, after you're done doing your homework or anything like that, future points is what you gotta do. Like, future points is where it's at. This is where you start making your money, or your gift cards, whatever you want. Okay, so what I was about to say. So PayPal, this is why I earn my money right here. So PayPal, you can start by earning $3, and then the more you continue doing PayPal, then you'll start getting five. You get three. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, 3, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 200, 500, $1,000. The $1,000 is the highest that the payout goes. So if you racking up well want hold up. If you're racking up 600,000 points right there, 600,000, you rack those up, you can get 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Ain't no telling what you can do. Like, you can be rich by getting off feature points, depending on how much hard work that you put in. If you put in a little bit of work, then you get a little money. As simple as that. You put in a little work, a little money. With me, I've been putting in a lot of work, so I get a lot of money. So I'm almost actually at $1,000 $1,000. I have two devices, so it's better if you have two devices because then the more points that you add up, you can, you know, all that adds up, and then you get a lot of money, like $1,000 and so on. So also feature points is also a way that I don't know if I said this before, but you can mention um you can not mention, but you can learn, like you can earn this, you can start now. Like if you have a device, if you have a tablet, you have um iPhone, any of that, you can start right now. All of this is simple. Download. You go to featurepoints.com, and then once you go there, I have a link that's at the bottom of the video. You all you gotta do is type my link in, and you can start earning. Like you can start getting points right now. Like I don't know how much points it is, but it's be a booster so that whenever you start earning more points, it'll be quicker so that you can get to your rewards. Okay. Um, thank you guys for watching this video. That's all I have for you today. I have other stuff that I do use according to making more money. Um, uh, using the apps that are very, very legit, like no scams, none of this. Like I'm all proof right here. Like I don't know how much I can. I don't know how really it gets in this. Like this is real legit money right here. Like I'm about to go spend it right now after this video. But thank you guys for watching. Comments, leave comments. I don't care if they good, bad, leave them. I want to see them. Thank you guys for watching this video, and continue to check more videos out on my channel. I got more. The more views, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'm coming out with. Okay, and I want to help you guys so you can be successful and be able to earn money and on your own. And it's for free. You ain't gotta go to work really to get start earning money right now. You use future points, everything that I said in this video, you use it, you can be able to start getting money right now. Peace.